Alright, let's try this again. How's it going, everyone? Today I have another unboxing. I know how much you guys love those, since my mono unboxing is currently the highest viewed video on any of my 3 channels. At like 100 views or something like that. It was like 99 last I checked. I should actually check if it made 100 views and post it on Twitter. Anyway, without further ado, today we'll be unboxing this, the Elgato Gaming Stream Deck. Now that I'm done saying it in a very over-the-top voice, let's get to opening. We got a knife to actually open the box because they have the thing. For those wondering, I said let's try this again. Don't ever move knives and you don't hold it like this either. You're gonna look like a serial killer. Anyway, now without further ado, let's see what's inside. Ta-da! It's an Elgato Gaming Stream Deck. It's the regular one. Unfortunately, I do not have an XL or a Mini. It looks like it's all like connected together, which is nice. See? It comes with a wire that's connected and a stand, and I don't think I have the Stream Deck software, so I'm gonna have to cut to download that. And then come back. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, hopefully opening up the Stream Deck software doesn't like freak out my computer, because my computer likes to freak out when I'm recording in 4K, and you know, I tried to do an unboxing of the Corsair Void Pro RGB, which is on my PS4 right there. Oh, the song restarted. I'm currently trying to undo this. That's what the back of the Stream Deck looks like. In theory, you could put it like this without the stand, but like I wouldn't be able to see like any of the keys if I did that. And oh my god, the keys feel amazing. Jesus Christ. Like, they actually feel amazing! Now I know why people love these things so much. Oh my god, it's so... and it's kinda cool. Which is also very nice considering, you know, the current weather. And there we go! Oof, it's tangled. Slightly unprofessional, but what can you do? I'm on a laptop. There's not much I can do about that currently. Now let's get this connected to my computer. If this doesn't get uploaded for whatever reason, it's because my computer crashed. Hey! Elgato Gaming. That's like the first screen it opens to. I think it's gonna stay like this until I set it up. So I'm probably gonna cut to once I have it downloaded. Shouldn't take too long. I'll see you guys then. Yes, there's gonna be a music cut as well, because. See you guys then. Oh. And we're back. So I have the Stream Deck software opened up on my computer. I'm going to add it to the. I'm going to add it to a scene, and then we're gonna switch over. So give me 1 second as I add it to the scene. Window capture. Stream Deck Well, Stream Deck. It's trying to do Spotify. That's funny. Stream Deck.exe. Hey, it works. Now Control S. And I believe that means we are in. I can now turn off studio mode. As you can see, the center buttons is welcome. I don't know what that does. Oh, it opens up welcome to Stream Deck. I will look at this off screen, so I'll keep it open for now. But we're gonna add buttons! Now, first we need oh, Jesus, look at all these hotkeys. Chat message, clear chat viewers. Wait, can I actually see the number of viewers? Like, show live viewer count. Oh, it's just the viewer count. Create stream marker Twitter. Oh, the change name to it. We should have this. So click on the I don't know how to get this to work. I just realized that. Oh, I'm supposed to drag it. Alright, drag an action from the right and drop it onto an empty key below. Let's put it as the third one. It should. Oh, I need to log in. Oh, it's not showing it. Okay. Let me use the streaming one. And by streaming, I mean just my general public Twitter that you guys are allowed to follow me. At EquinoxPhoenix, follow me there if you guys want. I don't know why it's not signed in. Oh, because it's using the Stream Deck software. Okay, hold up. Oh. Two-factor authentication, because I had to turn that off. Oh, that's right. Two-factor authentication is broken for some reason on my account. Okay, so I have to do it a different way, not through the code, and that would require too many tabs. So I'll do that later. But I now have a button for it at least. Let's just add buttons onto it. We don't need XSplit because I don't use XSplit. I don't stream on YouTube. We want a tweet one. I'm probably gonna make all of this like a multi-action tweet for stream in one go, like off screen, because I don't want to take up too much of you guys this time. It's already been 4 minutes. Oh Jesus, this video is gonna be like 10 minutes long. Anyway, let's see. Twitch. Let's add a create clip. Create clip is actually something that'll be useful. I'll put it right here. We have tweet, create clip, chat message. Hey, I could use this for like emotes and stuff. If I can. So this would be like plus encounters, like a hotkey for. Let's see. Plus encounter switch. I'll put like the Switch logo on it later. Like I'll get the image and put that there because it's essentially the encounter for the Switch. I'll be using that on today's stream. Oh, yesterday's stream from your guys' perspective. Let's see. Streamlabs OBS, I don't use that. Streamlabs, I don't really need any of this. I mean, mute alerts and pause alerts and whatnot would probably be useful. Let's see. Multi-action. We're gonna add multi-action to that. OBS Studio. Activate a scene. Oh, like be right back. The Elgato remote control plugin is missing. For whatever reason, it's not letting me it's not letting me do it, but we're gonna I'll figure it out later. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. BRB. And let's do this one being another scene. This one will be HD 60S, and I will change that to HD 60 Pro if I ever get a desktop. Game capture, I don't use game capture, like, in all seriousness. Stream, we want that to be part of this multi-action. No, cancel. Open up multi-action. Start. And then we'll have a stop streaming and stop recording at the bottom. I don't think it's gonna let me stop. I guess it's just start and stop. Anyway, so we'll put this here then. Stop streaming can be at the bottom. Oh, for some reason it's not letting me choose outside. Whatever. Anyway, I think that's it for the buttons. I know it's not like fully complete, but the rest of it would have to be stuff I do off screen because I need to like log in and stuff. Alright, so it looks like my computer was able to safely handle all this. Oh Jesus. What do these do? Let's see. Devices. Oh, add iPhone. Yo, God, okay, if you guys see this, maybe Android? Anyway, default profile, yeah, that I only needed the one probably. Alright, well, I think that's it. I believe that's it. So I actually don't know what the hotkey is anymore for this. I think it's 4? Yeah, there we go. Anyway, that is gonna be it for the. Oh wait, I just saw a button that I missed. Back here, more actions. Oh. It's just more actions. It's Alright, so it's nothing, it's not a big deal. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys haven't already, if you guys enjoyed yourself and haven't already, hit like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time, and as always, stay bright.